Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Deutschland. This is from Germany, from Nissin Foods over there, and I want to thank Anna and everybody who's over there for sending this along. I'm really curious what we got in here, so let's crack it open and find out. Oh, wow. All right, first off, they sent me this neat little book. It's like a little notebook, and they sent me one of these before, and I actually filled it up and used it for stuff. So this is really cool. Thank you very much. So this is something new I didn't know about. This is a new range called Ramen Masters, and this is a special, says special miso ramen, Takumi, popular Japanese restaurants. Okay. Cool. And here is a Hakata Tonkatsu. Got some high hopes for this one. That's one of my favorite ramen varieties. And you may have seen me review these before. This is a different variety I haven't tried, but this range is pretty easily found over in Germany and the UK, or rather Europe. This is a veggie miso, so I'm guessing this is vegetarian. I could be wrong. This could just be a vegetable miso. And another one of these in the same motif. This is a cup noodles chicken teriyaki soup variety. Don't usually hear about teriyaki soup, but I'm ready to give it a try. Alright, so this is the one that I saw on Instagram and contacted the folks at Nissin Deutschland. This is their yakisoba, and this is their new big yakisoba. Yeah, when I first tried these, I was super stoked. They're really quite good. And when they came out with these in not such a big cup, I believe they got an award for the packaging design awards in Europe the year they came out. I remember something distinctly about that. And I really like the design of these because they've got a nice, they're plastic, they've got a really nice look to them. They're really cool, so yeah. There's other varieties of them too. This is the chili one, so this is like a spicy yakisoba. And finally, a teriyaki big yakisoba. Well, again, thank you very much to Anna and everybody over at Nissin Germany for shooting these over. I'm really excited. I love being able to try things from Europe, and these look really, really good. So I'll be checking them out soon. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.